One word. Anchovy. Don't make that face. Yeah, that face. Until I show you a revolutionized way of eating anchovies in this delicious Italian grilled cheese sandwich, also known as mozzarella in carrozza, which means mozzarella in a carriage. Ciao amici, Christina here. This is where we show you how to ditch prepackaged foods and cook with ingredients you can pronounce. Melt the anchovies over low heat. If you melt them on high heat, they will fry, and you don't want them to fry. You want them to melt. This will take about 6 minutes. Beat together 1 egg and about 2 teaspoons of milk. Layer your nice bread with a slice of fresh mozzarella. This is not the type of mozzarella you would find traditionally on a pizza. This one is called fresh mozzarella. This particular cheese is moist and watery and has a particularly mild flavor. This is why we put the anchovies and capers on top at the end, to give that cheese some pizzazz. Dip all sides of the bread into the egg milk mixture. Flip it over after about 1 minute, but don't let it soak for more than 1 minute on each side, because then it'll get too soggy and break apart when you fry it. In a pan over medium-high heat, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Wait until it gets hot, then carefully place the sandwich into the pan. Listen for the sizzle. Let it cook until one side becomes golden brown, then flip it over to the other side. After that, cook it on all the other sides until it's golden brown. If it gets too smoky, turn the heat down to medium. And the sandwich is done when the cheese is melty and gooey. If you want a great tomato soup to go with this delicious grilled cheese sandwich, click on the video up there in the corner. Now we drizzle the melted anchovy sauce on the top, then garnish it with capers. Sweet beans, this is delicious! To see more recipes like these, click the video on your screen right now.
Ciao for now!